This module will cover how a technician or an engineer works on a ticket. Every ticket that is being created has to follow a workflow. Workflows are the steps or guidelines that need to be followed when resolving a ticket, request, or problem and changing or working on it. Based on these workflows, the required resolution will proceed. Whenever a ticket is created in the tool, it will be in an open and new state. Upon creation, a confirmation email is sent to the end user, confirming the end user that the ticket has been raised. This email serves as confirmation to the end user that their ticket has been created in the ticketing tool. Technicians can customize anything, like selecting macros, configure these settings in this email. After that, in the open responded state, indicating that a technician has responded to the ticket and has started working on it. Once the status is set as open responding, it will directly trigger the in-progress analysis state. In this state, there are different statuses, including in-progress escalated, which is used whenever there is an escalation in the ticket, allowing the technician to change the status accordingly. At times, there may be tickets on hold, pending user input. In such cases, where input is needed from the end user, the ticket is put on hold. To address this, there is a pending for user input status option, which allows to pause the SLA based on this particular status state. If the technician knows the resolution and is ready to provide it, they can set the ticket to resolved and waiting for closure status. Following the resolution, another email notification will be sent out to inform the parties involved that the ticket has been resolved, including a summary and resolution. Once the ticket is resolved, based on the end user confirmation, the technician can close the ticket. If the end user does not respond to the ticket within a certain number of days, there is an auto-closure feature, and the ticket will be automatically closed. This is an overview of our default workflow. Now, let's create a new ticket and see how this workflow will be mapped onto that particular ticket. Let's proceed to add a new ticket. Select the end user and add the necessary details in the respective fields. When the ticket is created, the status is set to New and Open. If the technician responds to the ticket, it will move to In-Progress Analysis, and if the technician is waiting for user input, technicians can mark it as Pending for user input. In the case of an escalation, the status can be marked as Escalated, and if the resolution is known, technicians can click on the resolution. Once the resolution provided, the ticket is considered resolved. In the self-service portal, the user will receive two options, to close the ticket or to reopen it. Based on the resolution, the user can choose either any of the options. To close the ticket, technicians can directly do so by adding a closure note.